So verifying yourself is a must on YouTube. After you might have met the $10 threshold, they are going to send you a message via email, or you are going to see it on your YouTube Studio dashboard and your YouTube Studio app, all right, telling you to verify your identity, all right. So once you see that message, just know that you've gotten your $10 already. Now, for you to start this process, you have to go to your Chrome browser and type Google AdSense, okay, and log into your account. Well, if you don't know how to log into your account, I've made a detailed video on how you can add in your tax information as well in this my video. You can check out this my video. It is detailed there. I'm not going to go into much detail about that, okay. Before we start, if this is the first time of seeing my friends, hello, my name is Grace and you're welcome to my channel. What we do here is to share updates on how to get to first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before 2027. So if these are the updates that you like to watch, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. All right, so once you see this message, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser and type Google AdSense. Once you type Google AdSense, they are going to ask you to log into your Google AdSense. Just follow the process. All right, now once you get there, you are going to see a message like this pumping up in your screen where they will tell you to verify now. All right, so all you need to do is to click on this verify now. Okay, so now once you click on this verify now, they are going to bring you to an interface like this where they will ask you to verify identity with Personia. All right, go ahead and click on this verify identity with Personia. All right, so once you click on that verify identity with Personia, they're going to bring you to this interface where they wrote getting started. All right, now we need some information to help us confirm your identity. All they need is just the information to verify that it's really you. Do you understand? Now, as you can see, by clicking the button below, your consent to Personia collecting, using and utilizing his device providers to process your information, including your biometrics information and the rest. Will just go through it and you see. Then all you need to do is to click on begin verifying. All right, so once you click on begin verifying, they are going to bring you to an interface like this. Now this is where you need to put in your ID, your national ID card. Now the IDs that are needed are driver's license, your national ID, that is your NIN, and your, I think your PVC, your voters card thing. I think too you can use it as well, but this voters card I've not verified it. Okay, I think it is one of the IDs that you can use to verify yourself here, but I know of the international passport, the NIN, because the NIN is what I use in verifying my own identity. All right, so before you get to this place, make sure your NIN is close to you so that you can easily use it and verify yourself. All right, so now as you can see, they say take a clear photo of the front of your government ID. Do you understand? So all you need to do is to place your NIN in front of a plain sheet. If your ID is a bit darker, put it on a very plain sheet, or let me say a white paper where everything will be visible for them, and use a very clear background while snapping the picture. All right, so just take a clear photo of it, the front and the back. Do you understand? Now this one says take a clear photo of the front of your government ID. You have to take the front first and the back as follows. Then make sure the picture on your ID is very clear as well. Do you understand? Now once you are done snapping the back and front of your government issued ID, this is where they are going to bring you to where they will say processing your ID. After you might have finished snapping them, they are going to process the ID. Please wait as we process your upload. This may take a few seconds. You are light to process. Now once you click on that, they are going to bring you to an interface like this where they will ask you to put in your months, your day and your year. That is your date of birth entirely. All right, so make sure whatever you are filling there is what is in your government ID, like the date of birth in your national ID card. That is what you should impute here. All right, the address that you fill out when you're filling your Google AdSense, that's the address you put here, and the one on your NIN. Do you understand? That is what you should put here. After that, you click on continue. Okay, now once you click on continue, they are going to bring you to an interface like this where they will say let's make sure you are you. Now position yourself in the center of the camera and then move your face left and right to show both sides. A short video will be captured during the process. Do you get? So all you need to do is to place the phone in front of you. Do you understand? Place your phone in front of you, then turn your face slightly to left, turn your face slightly to right. Like just do literally everything they ask you to do. and you are done with this process. It's very easy and it's very simple. So when you want to start, click on this get started. You understand? Make sure you prepare yourself and make sure you are in a very clear background so that you'll be able to capture you very well. Don't stay in a dark space whereby they will not even see your face clearly. No, stay in a very, that's why I will advise that if you want to start this process, do it within the daytime. I will always advise that if you want to start this process, do it within the daytime so that light will not be an issue when you want to capture yourself, except you have very good lighting at in your house or in your home. All right, so just go ahead and do it, and then just go ahead and verify yourself. And so when you want to start, like I said before, you click on get started, position yourself, and just do whatever they ask you to do. Use a bright background where your face will be visible while they are doing the capturing and the rest of the things. So that is basically everything you need to do. So once you are done, just allow it to load. If everything and if all your IDs, your face verification is clear. Now, if maybe you are using somebody else's face to verify a particular YouTube account, maybe you don't want to use your face, maybe you want to use your husband's face or somebody, make sure the person that you want to use is there before starting this process, because you will need it. You understand? Make sure the person is there before clicking on that verify stuff. Do you understand? So just go ahead. So once everything is okay, you are going to receive a message like this: congratulations, you are done, thanks for verifying your identity. So once you get this message, just know that everything is done. When you go to your YouTube studio or your YouTube studio dashboard, you are not going to see that verify yourself again. Everything will clear out. All right, like I said before, you're going to get $10 first before YouTube will ask you to verify your identity. You get? So this is basically everything. It's very simple and it's very, very easy. Do you understand? So hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, the only thing I need you to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel, like this video for me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.